If you want better graphics in Free Fire, this quick guide is for you. First of all, open Garena Free Fire on your Android phone. From the main lobby, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Now go to the display section. Here you will see graphics quality options. If your phone supports it, select Ultra or HD for better visuals and sharper details. Next, check the FPS setting. Set it to high or ultra. Only use ultra if your phone can handle it without lag. After making these changes, tap the back button to save and return to the game. Now a few pro tips to avoid lag on high graphics. If possible, use Free Fire Max. It's made for enhanced graphics and gives a more immersive experience. Also make sure your settings match your phone's RAM. For low-end phones like 2 GB RAM, keep graphics balanced. For 4 GB or 6 GB RAM, you can safely use higher settings. Always play on a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or strong mobile data to avoid lag and frame drops. And if you notice lag during gameplay, simply lower the graphics or FPS until the game feels smooth again. That's it. Enjoy better graphics now. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want more Free Fire Pro settings tips.